Hello, my friends. Welcome back to American Lingo Academy. I'm Fiona, and today I'm so excited to talk with you about something that will change your English learning journey forever. We're going to discover how to make English a natural part of your daily life. But before we start, I have a quick question for you. What kind of videos do you prefer? Do you want slow English for A1 to A2 listening practice? Or do you prefer fast English for C1 to C2 listening practice? Or maybe you like a combination of both, like this video. Please let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create exactly what you need. Before we begin, I want to tell you that this lesson has two special parts. First, we'll have a slow section where I speak clearly and slowly. This is perfect for listening practice and shadowing. You can repeat after me and really focus on every word. Then we'll have a fast section where I speak at natural speed, just like native speakers do in real life. This fast listening practice is amazing for your ears. It helps you understand real conversations, builds your confidence, and trains your brain to catch English at normal speed. So get ready for both parts. Let me ask you something. Do you study English for 1 hour and then forget about it for the rest of the day? Many students do this. But here's the secret. English should not be something you do. English should be something you live. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this happen. Think about your native language. You don't study it every day, right? You just use it. You think in it. You dream in it. This is what we want with English too. We want English to become part of who you are. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you're brushing your teeth. Instead of thinking in your native language, try thinking in English. Say to yourself, I'm brushing my teeth. The toothpaste tastes minty. My teeth feel clean. This takes 0 extra time, but you're practicing English. Here's another example. When you're cooking dinner, describe what you're doing in English. I'm cutting onions. Now I'm heating the oil. The onions smell so good. You're not studying English, you're living English. Now, let me share 5 powerful ways to make English part of your life. These methods are simple, but they work like magic. First, change your phone language to English. I know this sounds scary, but trust me, you use your phone every day, many times. When your phone speaks English, you learn English without trying. At first, you might feel confused. That's normal. But after 1 week, you'll be surprised how much you understand. Second, talk to yourself in English. Yes, you heard me right. Talk to yourself. When you wake up, say good morning to yourself. When you're tired, say I need some coffee. When you're happy, say what a beautiful day. This helps English become natural in your mind. Third, label things in your house with English words. Put a sticky note on your refrigerator that says refrigerator. Put one on your mirror that says mirror. Every time you see these objects, you see the English word too. This creates connections in your brain. Fourth, find English content you actually enjoy. Don't force yourself to watch boring news if you hate news. Love cooking? Watch cooking videos in English. Love music? Listen to English songs. Love sports? Watch English sports channels. When you enjoy something, learning happens naturally. Fifth, find an English-speaking partner or join an English community. This could be online or in person. The goal is to have real conversations about things you care about. When English becomes social, it becomes alive. Let me tell you about my student, Maria. She's from Mexico, and she struggled with English for years. She took classes, bought books, used apps. Nothing worked well. Then she tried my method. She changed her phone to English. She started thinking in English while doing housework. She watched Mexican cooking shows, but in English. After 3 months, her English improved more than in 3 years of traditional study. Why? Because English became part of her daily life, not separate from it. Here's what I want you to do today. Pick just one of these 5 methods. Don't try to do everything at once. If you choose to change your phone language, do that today. If you choose to talk to yourself, start right now. Small steps create big changes. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. It's better to practice English for 5 minutes every day than to study for 3 hours once a week. When English lives in your daily routine, it grows naturally, like a plant that gets water every day. Now we're going to speak fast, so get ready to challenge yourself. All right, friends, now I'm going to speak at normal speed, the way we really talk in everyday life. So here's the thing about making English part of your life. It's honestly one of the best decisions you can ever make, and I'm going to tell you why. Last week, I met this guy at a coffee shop, and he told me this incredible story. He's from Japan, been living in the US for about 6 months. When he first got here, he was terrified to order coffee because he didn't trust his English. So you know what he did? He started going to the same cafe every single day, ordering the exact same drink, a medium latte with oat milk. The baristas got to know him, started chatting with him about the weather, about his day, asking how he likes living here. And before he knew it, he wasn't just ordering coffee anymore, he was having real conversations. He told me that now, 6 months later, he dreams in English sometimes. And that's when he knew English had become part of who he is. The crazy thing is, he never sat down with grammar books or vocabulary lists. He just made English part of his daily coffee routine. That's the power of living your language instead of just studying it. When you integrate English into things you already do, like drinking coffee, walking walking your dog or watching Netflix, it stops feeling like work and starts feeling natural. Your brain begins to think in English patterns, and before you know it, you're not translating anymore, you're just living in English. My friends, I hope today's lesson inspired you to make English a living part of your world. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to start. You don't need a huge vocabulary. You just need the courage to begin. Pick one small thing today and make it English. Tomorrow, add something else. In a few months, you'll be amazed at how natural English feels. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your English learning friends. Don't forget to subscribe to American Lingo Academy for more daily lessons that will transform your English journey. And I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me what topics you want me to cover next. What English challenges are you facing? What would help you most? I read every single comment and I use your suggestions to create lessons that you actually need. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself, and remember, every small step brings you closer to English fluency. I'll see you in the next lesson.